Hey, pause for a moment. Before we talk about money, crystals, or grids, ask yourself this one question. Why does money flow easily to some people, while others struggle their entire life, even after working hard? This video is not about magic tricks. It is not about instant riches. And it is definitely not about superstition. This is about energy, intention, structure, and alignment. Stay till the end, because if you miss even one step, your crystal grid will just look beautiful, but it will not work. What is a money crystal grid? A money crystal grid is not just placing crystals randomly and hoping for wealth. That is a myth. A true crystal grid is a focused energetic circuit. It works the same way a satellite dish works. Without direction, it receives nothing. With precision, it amplifies everything. Crystals themselves do not create money. They amplify your subconscious financial patterns. If your relationship with money is fear-based, the grid will amplify fear. If it is clarity-based, the grid will amplify flow. That is why intention matters more than the crystals themselves. Step 1. Clean your money energy first. Before touching any crystal, you must clean your money story. Ask yourself silently, do I believe money is hard to earn? Do I feel guilty wanting wealth? Do I associate money with stress, power, or conflict? If yes, your grid will expose these blocks. Take 3 deep breaths. On every exhale, say softly, I release old money beliefs. Do not rush this step. This is where most people fail. Step 2. Choose the right crystals, not too many. More crystals do not mean more power. A powerful money grid usually uses 5 to 7 stones, no more. Here are the most energetically aligned choices. Citrine, for abundance and confidence. Pyrite, for action, strategy, and wealth mindset. Green aventurine, for opportunity and luck. Clear quartz, to amplify everything. Tiger's eye, for courage and decision-making. If you only have one crystal, use clear quartz. Intention matters more than quantity. Step 3. The sacred geometry placement. This is where energy becomes structured. Place your main intention crystal in the center. This is usually citrine or clear quartz. Around it, place the other stones in a circle or hexagon. Circles create flow. Hexagons create stability and growth. Money energy likes clarity and order. Messy grids create scattered results. Face the grid toward the north or east if possible. These directions support growth and expansion. Step 4. Activate the grid. This is the heart. This is not visualization alone. This is emotional programming. Sit comfortably. Place your dominant hand over the center crystal. Now say this slowly. I am open to receiving money in expected and unexpected ways. I allow wealth to support my peace, not control my life. I use money with wisdom, gratitude, and balance. Feel the emotion behind the words. Emotion is the power source. Words are just switches. Spend at least 3 minutes here. Not seconds. Minutes. Step 5. Daily interaction. This makes it alive. A crystal grid is not a one-time ritual. Every day, even for 30 seconds, look at your grid. Ask yourself one question. What aligned action can I take today for financial growth? Money flows through action. Crystals guide direction. They do not replace effort. What results can you expect? Here is the raw truth. A money grid does not drop cash from the sky. It shifts your decisions, confidence, and awareness. You may notice new ideas, unexpected opportunities, better boundaries with money, reduced fear around spending or earning. That is real abundance. Final perspective. Listen carefully. Money is not evil. Money is not spiritual or unspiritual. Money is neutral energy responding to clarity. Crystals do not make you rich. They make you aligned. And alignment attracts flow. If this video made you think, if it shifted your perspective even slightly, then like this video. Subscribe for more real spiritual knowledge without illusions. And here's a question for you. What is the biggest belief you currently hold about money? Positive or negative? Comment it below. Sometimes awareness itself is the first form of wealth. See you in the next video.